Jada, what's your gift for Jerry?
This is a cashew.
Bakit mag-vlog ka kaya?
Meron yan yung...
I already gave her cashew.
Dapat si Jerry mag-decide.
Salit lang yan.
Lagi na ako makeup artist. Pakipot pa!
Daddy, it's my
Hi, we are here at, ano pangalan? Moody's Go. Kasi birthday ni Jerry tomorrow. At bibili kami lahat ng gift for Jerry. Kasi mababaw lang naman yan. So kahit anong pink gusto niya. Pero ang gagawin ay they're going to buy with their own money. So I'm with Ate Jace and Jada. Tapos si Kuya, nagsabi lang siya na ang budget daw niya is 100. Tapos tayo na lang daw yung pipili.
water.
Okay, so pili na tayo. So, mas mura kasi yung toys dito kaysa sa mall talaga. Eh, since si Jerry, parang wala naman siya masyadong alam. Tapos, mag-enjoy lang siya sa gifts for a few minutes or hours and then wala na siyang pakialam. So, dapat dito lang tayo bibili. Wow!
There's a unicorn. Oh, look.
Ano to eh, parang 3 floors, sobrang daming mabibili. Kung anik-anik. For example, ayan, mga toys for 99 pesos. This one is for 129. What else? Ito ang cute oh. 99 lang din to. Wow. Okay. Ito, what tea set is 119. Oh, di ba? Kitchen, 99. Kaya enjoy na enjoy yung mga kids dito kasi halos lahat ng magugustuhan nila ay pasok sa budget. Kasi normally, we allow them to buy one piece of anything, of toy. Pero syempre, hindi pwede pagmahal. So dito, kahit anong kapili nila, laging pasok sa banga. Oh, artificial plant. Ang ganda niyan. Saan yan? For 50 pesos? Oh, cute! I like this.
Ate just holding the camera. Whoa.
More stuff in here.
It's more than I remembered.
Dalaga stuff na. Ate, oh.
Ate just likes glasses.
Headband, oh.
Headband? I'm wearing a headband.
Yung mga headband, oh. 30 pesos, 20 pesos. For kids yan. Meron din mga, ano to, paper bags for 15 pesos. Cute naman. Ang dami. Ito pa, oh, more paper bags. The eyes, school supplies. Ang dami, kompleto. Tapos may mga damit din dito sa 3rd floor. Jada, what's your gift for Jerry?
Yes, it's
Okay.
a cashier.
Tapos, bibili rin daw siya ng mini notebook.
Honey,
Okay.
it's a cake.
Ate, what's your gift for Jerry?
A burger.
Burger. How much is that?
105.
105. Shada, that's 145. Yours is more expensive than okay. That's Ate's money.
Mom, can you help me with my money?
Yeah, okay. No, it's okay. Help ka ni ate. Okay, next. Yan. So, may dalang wallet si Jada. Go. What? You get the blue one and the pink one. Yeah. Tapos, ito naman yung gift namin ni Daddy for Jerry. This is 700 pala. Kanina 400. 700 too. Anyway, she will like this. Yay!
Happy birthday, Johnny!
You're done! Daming dala. At nag-book na lang kami ng in-drive for Aware kasi kanina, hinatid kami ni Daddy. Pero pumunta siya sa hospital dahil
Because he got scratched by a cat.
kaya iyak. So mag-i-in-drive na lang kami. So I'm so happy may in-drive na dito sa Malolos
And we got lots of stuff.
for Jerry. So we're gonna hide all these from her. Magbabalot pa kami and magpapalobo para ready kami tomorrow. Okay. Kanina minute burger, nagpa-minute burger ako kanina. Tapos ngayon, barbecue sa kanto. Dito ako sa HTP Basics na nag-meeting kami. Tapos ngayon pa uwi na, may barbecue. So, barbecue muna tayo. Ayan yung HTP Basics office. Ipag-vlog ka kaya.
Meron yan, yung NLEX niya.
Hindi, yung gusto niya yung vlog ko nandun siya.
Kasi yung vlog niya, pinapanood ng TV namin. Pag nandun ako, pinapanood yung sarili yung TV.
First time niya? Dito? Dito? Nakadala na.
Araw lang.
Nung isang araw lang.
So okay pala kayo eh. Hello! It's March 1. Grabe, ang bilis ng araw. Ang bilis ng Feb. Tapos ngayon, March na. At March 1, ang birthday ni Jari. So yun nga, nakita nyo na nag-shopping kami ng gift para kay Jari. At today is the day. Pero may mga iba tayong events ngayon. Kasi nagninang ako ngayon sa Binyag. Pero yung inaanak ko ay first birthday din today, kaya may party siya. So after the binyag, papunta kami ngayon sa reception. And sa reception, kasama na namin yung mga bata. So doon na lang din mag-birthday si Jari para tipid tayo. Hindi. So after nun pala, after ng binyag, ay share ko lang pala, na kapag may mga kiddie party, parati akong kinokontrata ng mga nanay para dalhin yung mga anak ko. Kasi, di ba laging kulang yung kids kapag may kiddie party, mas marami yung adult. Kaya, isa yon sa mga ganong pagkakataon. Tapos, after namin sa reception, magmo-mall kami kasi sasabay na namin na dahil para special nga tong araw na to. Special kasi sa mga kids na bibili sila ng reward. So, nag-exam sila, di ba? Meron kasi kaming rule sa bahay na may reward sila for every 3 subjects na makakakuha sila ng score na less than 5 lang yung mistakes. Ayan. Kaya, ngayon yung araw, nabibili sila ng rewards nila. Of course, si Kuya Jaco yung nakadalawa, ibig sabihin 6 subjects. And then, yung iba, hindi ganun kadami. Tapos, kadami, dalawa lang naman. Ano ba itong sasabihin ko? After nun, uuwi kami sa bahay. Doon kami magkakaroon ng mini celebration for Jari. Bumili kami ng balloons. And then, pinagawan ko siya ng Blippi cake. Kasi ngayon, nag-enjoy siya kay Blippi. Tapos, mag-grab na lang siguro or mag-take out ng food. Sabi ng mga anak ko, pansit. Kasi Jari loves to eat pansit. So, see you later. Happy birthday to you. Jari na lang. Ay, sus, nag-shy-shy naman. Ay, sus, nag-shy-shy. Ay, ayaw, okay, ayaw si Shy. Happy birthday, Joey! You find your toy!
He's turning 2.
Wow, you like that?
I already gave her because she went way to the
What do you like, anak? Joey, what's this? What's this? What's this? Uy! What's this? What's this? What's this? Not. Donut. You sure? Okay. Mommy will get this? Huh? Bike? Huh? Sure?
It's a postcard and you can put stuff on.
That one? That one? That one? You want that? Oh, you try. You try. Come on. Go. Ay, sis! Go. You try na. Wow! There. Okay. Dapat si Jari mag-decide among the 3. This one, or that one. Okay, now think. Okay. What do you want? That one, oh. You can ride there now. Joey. Seatbelt daw, seatbelt. Say bye-bye to the toys, ha? Ole, bye-bye. Bye-bye here. Okay, let's go na. No? No, this one na lang. Yan, ang bata. Ayaw nang umalis. Ayaw niya bumaba kahit nasabi isasakay na sa car. So, isakay natin nakasama siya. What? Yeah. She doesn't want to go down eh. Okay? Wait lang.
Sa gitna, yan.
Okay?
Baba.
Say hi. Daddy doesn't want to get out of the bike.
Joey! Wow! Biglang may bisita ka na! Joey! Can I use your bike? Joey eating ice cream! You like ice cream? Wow! Scream, scream!
Way back when, before the grown-up phase, we're one best friend. It was easy going roll. Life was anything but fair.
Wow!
But somehow we didn't care.
What?
Way back then, these are all the movies on a big screen when we couldn't afford to pay the price. Nothing to the past, always racing as the lights went.
Parang nalilito na siya sa akin na to.
When did we